Hi guys, Leo's here, guys. Hope you guys doing well. How's everyone's doing today? Leo's here, CEO and founder of Leo Lee Educations, back with another YouTube video. And today's video, we're gonna talk about um, where should you do your nursing course, why you should do it, and where you should do it. Right? Because for those of you who come through to see me for the first time, my name is Leo. I'm the CEO and founder of Leo Lee Education. We are the number one agents for regional areas. Unlike a typical agency who can only do admission or visa for their students, we put 110% focus on helping our clients finding their dream jobs in Australia, especially in regional areas, because we are a regional area expert. Now, in today's video, I want to share with you uh, top 5 reasons why you should do nursing. And if you have chosen to do nursing course in Australia, where should you do it? Because it's not the same if you do it in Sydney, Melbourne, as compared to if you do it in, let's say, Charles Darwin University in Northern Territory. So if you like this, make sure you click subscribe to my YouTube channel so you're not going to miss out on any of our updates, on any of our videos. So let's jump right into it, all right? Okay. Now, for many of you who know me, you guys or know our company, you know that we have been supporting regional areas for a very, very long time. And for those people who have take our advice and who have really gone to regional areas, they already achieved their permanent residency goals. Many of them already got their PR as a nurse in Australia. And so you can tell, of the significance and the importance of going regional areas. Now, regional areas is defined as anywhere but Sydney, Melbourne, or Brisbane. I repeat, is anywhere but Sydney, Melbourne, or Brisbane. So if you choose to study nursing in Australia, I always do recommend you to do it in regional areas if you really are determined to get your permanent residency. Now, let's go through few places where you should do this course. All right. One, Tasmania. Okay, so I would such strongly suggest is if you have a pen and a paper, then do take some notes as we speak. All right. Now, for Tasmania, right now, if you come to Tasmania, you can do a diploma of nursing in TASTAFE. Okay, so diploma of nursing is a course meant for enrolled nurse. So the idea is once you have completed diploma of nursing from TASTAFE, you become an enrolled nurse. But keep this in mind: not all diploma of nursing is accredited. Keep that in mind. So you have to make sure you choose the course that is accredited. Now, maybe you don't understand what the term accredited just means that the course, once you complete the course, you will be able to apply for skill assessment as an enrolled nurse. So in this case, for diploma nursing, right? So the duration is somewhere between 1.5 to 2 years. You can do it either in Hobart or Launceston, which are two major cities in Tasmania. The tuition fee right now is very, very affordable. It's only $24,000. Um, it's only for $24,000. All right, and um, and I'm talking about for the entire course, by the way. All right, and the campus, like I said, Hobart and Launceston, and you need to have IELTS 7 in each, or PT equivalent, which is a 65. And as a part of the course, you will be able to have 400 hours of work placements. Right. So Tasmania is definitely a very good place for you to consider doing your nursing course, because Tasmania, they really, really put high priority for nurses. They really care about nurses. And so if you study nursing in Tasmania, first of all, your chance of getting 190 from Tasmania is going to be extremely high. You can also go to Tasmania government website to see for yourself that Tasmania really highly regard nursing professionals, nursing graduates. Now, of course, all the information I'm sharing with you today is for reference only. If you really want to have a consultation based on your profile, based on your situation, you should book a consultation with us through. You can comment below with your name and your phone number, or you can also contact us on our Facebook. Also, I will put in the description our contact details so you can make sure you reach out to us. All right. So, diploma nursing in TASTEP, very, very good course, very affordable. For 2020, unfortunately, there's only Launceston, for you to start in nursing. Hobart has already been full for the whole year. So, and by the way, for Launceston, we only have few spots left for TASTEP for diploma nursing. So, if you really want to do this, you have to take advantage of this situation now and do it now, so that you can get enrolled. And also, if you are currently doing maybe nursing, maybe in Sydney, and you want to transfer over to TASTEP, yes, Leolie Education can also help you. Or if you want to transfer your course, you want to change your course from existing course to nursing, yes, we can review your case, and we can also move you to nursing course as well. Okay. Now that's for diploma nursing. Also in Tasmania, you can do Bachelor of Nursing too, which is a 3 years program. What happened for most of my students is they come in, they start in diploma first, and then they finish off with a Bachelor of Nursing in UTAS. The reason for that is because the tuition fee for nursing, Bachelor of Nursing in UTAS for 3 years would be a bit high, as compared to if you do diploma first for the first 2 years and then go to do the last 1 year or last 1.5 years for bachelor. That will be more economical decisions. So if you want a package, if you want to do the package diploma followed by Bachelor of Nursing in Tasmania, make sure you reach out to us. Our contact number is 04739 43757. You can always DM us on our Facebook, Leolie Educations. If you guys like this, make sure you click like, so we know that you like this sort of content. So we are always gonna give you the most updates about what courses to study, where to study, what course will get you the PR the easiest way. Also, if you want to have a personal consultation with us, make sure you reach out to us. Now, place number 2, you should do nursing. That's going to be in Ict Canberra, very similar to Tasmania. You can also do diploma nursing followed by Bachelor of Nursing there. Diploma nursing in ACT, there's a college that we send a lot of students to. It's called CIT. The duration is 1.5 years. The tuition fee again is quite affordable. It's only $7,000 plus per semester, and again the English requirement is 7. Is 7 in each. All right. Now here's the thing, guys. If you want to study nursing, you got to keep this in mind. You have to make sure you have good English. You have to make sure you have good IELTS, good PTE. So right now, I understand we're going through this COVID-19. Now is the best time for you to just study those IELTS and try to sit for it. I know right now a bit hard for you to book the test, but at the same time, give it a shot. Like, study as hard as you can, so whenever the test resume, you can just book and go for it, because you cannot delay your English. Now for most of these colleges or university, if you do not have enough English, a 7 in each, to get enrolled, they can package with their own EAP program, their own English programs as well. So, for example, let's say if you want to study nursing, but you cannot, for some reason, you cannot meet the English requirement, you need to study English first, and then you can start the course, assuming that you pass the English program from that college. All right. So, nursing, diploma nursing in ACT. Again, the best part about ACT is very near both Melbourne or Sydney. It's pretty much right in the middle. And that's why a lot of my students want to study there. and there are a lot of jobs in nursing around that area. So very, very good options. So diploma nursing in CIT. Also, guys, if you want to start in nursing, maybe you just got your 485 visa. You also can do study on 485 visa too, which is the graduate visa. So if you're watching this and you just apply for your 485 and you haven't got your skill assessment yet, so maybe it might be wise to study nursing, diploma nursing, in ACT, to become a qualified enrolled nurse, right? So be a great idea. So you're watching this and you want to do that, make sure you reach out to us. You can reach us on our cell phone number. It's 04739 43757. Again, if you want me to send you a PDF of all these courses, in all these nurse courses in regional areas, also put in the comment box with your email address as well, and we will send the free PDF to you. Okay. Next, we also, again, you can also do bachelor as well of nursing in ACU. Now, you might ask me, so Leo, so what is the benefits of doing a bachelor degree in nursing? You might ask me that, right? Now, so many benefits. Okay, let's just start with one. Is the demand for nurses now is extremely high, and it has the importance of nurses right now during this COVID-19 is at its peak height. All right, indeed, a lot of nurses, they can get, like, a lot of graduates, nursing graduate, they can find job in a heartbeat just like that. Also, the pay is very good. A lot of jobs, pay is good and very good for PR purpose, right? As you guys might know, it's not easy these days to get a permanent residency in Australia because the competition is very hard. However, if you do nursing, your chance is quite high. But keep this in mind: if you do nursing, but if you do it in Sydney or Melbourne or Brisbane, you are fighting an uphill battle. You are fighting a very, very difficult battle to win, right? Because the competition is high and the invitation points is also very high too. So strongly encourage you to do nursing in regional areas, and there's no one better than regional areas than Leoli Educations. All right, cool. If you like this, make sure you click like. All right, now next, like I said, you can do bachelor nursing in ACU, a very, very good university. ACU, it's in Canberra. 3 years program. The tuition fee is affordable, 29,000 plus. In 2021. Now 2020 is, there's no more intake left for 2020. You gotta go for 2021 if you want to do bachelor of nursing in ACU. All right. Also, Canberra University also offer the same course. If you guys like this sort of topics that I'm talking about, make sure you click like. Our company's goal is to provide our students with the most informed decisions about regional areas, because we all understand that regional area is the way to go if you want to get a PR in Australia. And if you just want to stay in Sydney, Melbourne, or Brisbane, trust me, you are doing yourself a big disfavor. Okay, next, South Australia, Adelaide. All right, again, diploma nursing. You can do a Think Education 1.5 years program, 30K for the whole course, 400 hours internship as well. So again, SA, very good states to consider, but keep this in mind. Just recently, SA, they just waiver the experience requirement for nurse graduates and other health professionals. Again, so that is a big bonus. Because of this COVID-19, they need a lot of extra nurse, and that's why, to encourage nurses to stay and apply for PR in SA, they just waiver the experience requirement for the state nomination. So it's very easy for you to get a PR as a nurse right now in South Australia. Again, we never know when they're going to change the rules, because South Australia is famous for making the rules quite difficult, and they could change the rules quite fast. But right now, as I speak, if you are currently, maybe you're doing nursing now, maybe or you're about to graduate, and you need help to apply for your state nomination, you can always reach out to us at Leo Lee Education. Same, we can do a Bachelor of Nursing at Adelaide University or Flinders University or University of South Australia. These three universities do offer Bachelor of Nursing in SA. All right. Okay, and let's go for the next one, which is WA, Western Australia. Western Australia is a very different, like I should say, very unique states in a way that they have been not so much supportive of immigration lately. However, it seems like they started to change. So we start to see more of our own students moving to WA now, for many reasons. One, because it's quite close to Asia, it's quite close to Vietnam, quite close to, you can fly from there to Vietnam. It's quite, quick, in a very quick time, right? So WA, you can do both diploma and bachelor, diploma in HCI and bachelor in ECU. Okay, and also Curtin University as well, Murdoch University also offer this course. And last but not least, guys, we're talking about Queensland. You can do a Bachelor of Nursing in Sunshine Course University. And in Northern Territory, you can do a Bachelor of Nursing at CDU, which is right now, I recommend a lot of my students to actually go to Northern Territory, because Northern Territory, they have a very good migration policy. Right now, you just do 2 years study, and you've got a full skill assessment. You can apply for your 190. And it's one of those states that are still quite lenient in terms of their migration policy. So if you're watching this and you're really serious about considering getting your PR, maybe you are currently doing a bachelor degree, but you feel like that there's no clear pathway for your PR, you want to shift it to a Bachelor of Nursing, you can always contact us at Leo Lee Education. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this topic. I hope you learned quite a bit. If you have any questions about studying nursing in Australia, especially in regional areas, make sure you reach out to us. You can call me on my cell phone number. It's 04739 43757, or you can DM us on our Facebook at Leo Lee Education. Guys, so again, make sure you click subscribe, follow our, click subscribe, follow our Facebook. I'm also going to put the link to our Facebook in the description so you guys can follow. Be great, guys. Have a lovely day. And this COVID-19, as I spoke, I hope the next time you watch this whole COVID-19 is going to be over. But right now, as I spoke, on the 19th of April, we are going through this COVID-19 right now, and the country is going to bounce back, I believe. And we have already seen a lot of positive, progress. So we're looking at, going back to normal life as we know it very soon. So be positive, and more than ever now is the time for you to think about your PR, make a move about your PR. And if you want to study nursing to do that, then definitely you got to reach out to us. Be great. This is Leo's here, CEO and founder of Education. I see you in the next video. Be great.